I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable touch accommodations on your iPhone. So first we'll open up settings, then we'll select accessibility, then we'll select touch accommodations, and then we will click the toggle at the very top. All of the settings below that toggle are what you can change. You can enable hold duration, so you can change basically how long you have to hold your finger on the screen for certain interactions to occur. You can also change swipe gestures without waiting for the specific duration. Once you turn on that hold duration, you can turn on ignore repeat. This is going to change the duration in which multiple touches are treated as a single touch. Basically, there's kind of a give when it comes to, how much you might mess up by pressing a certain way. And then tap assistance, you can have this off or use initial touch location or final touch location. If you, put your finger on the phone and then drag it somewhere else and then let go, it will basically use the first touch or the last touch depending on what you pick. And now you're all set to have your specific touch accommodations set up on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.